Hey everyone, so today on Crypto Tutorials, I'll be showing you how to stake Kex into the Kira liquidity program. So, the first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is go to the go onto Uniswap. The reason you need to go to Uniswap is because that is where you will form, that's where you'll purchase your Kex, and also where you will form the Kex and Ethereum LP token. Alright, so once you're on the website, you're going to go ahead and go over to Pool and click Add Liquidity. Once you click Add Liquidity, you will go to Select Token and you will pick out Kex. And once you've picked out Kex, you'll have the option to click Max on ETH and or Kex. Depending on how much you want to put into the program, you can actually manually type it in. So let's go ahead and put the whole amount, 4,871, which equates to 4,871 Kex, will mean that I will need to provide also 4.74 Ethereum to go along with it. All right, so once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and click supply, confirm supply, and you're going to confirm it onto the blockchain and submit the transaction. All right, so this can actually take a couple of minutes. There's sometimes a bit of a lag, so we'll go ahead and wait for that to happen. Alrighty, so once the blockchain confirms the transaction, you'll see that you now have this Kex ETH LP token created. From there, you'll go back to the Kira website and you'll connect your wallet. Once you've connected your wallet, you'll slide over to the pools section and you will click the plus. Once you click the plus, go ahead and max it out and confirm. All right, so go ahead and confirm the transaction as we did before. And we'll wait for the confirmation. And once it does, well, that was pretty quick. It'll update the LP tokens total all together, and then you'll automatically start collecting Kex tokens every block. All right. So from there, you can go ahead and actually go to the front page and see the total locked value of how much you've put into the program and how many Kex tokens that you'll be receiving over the course of a month. Also, you can see the total amount of Kex locked into the program altogether and the annual percentage yield that you're expected to get from the program overall. So that's how you add your Kex to the staking program. If you had any questions, you can leave it in the comments below, and I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you.